They lost their whole fence. Okay. Too windy that, or too rainy that way. So we'll have to.
Oh, hey, videotape that one.
Oh, that's just wrong.
I hope he's not.
We saw a guy out in his backyard screaming out in front of us.
Old guy that had hair.
Look at this fence all gone.
Jeez.
And over here,
Their fence
this
finally
one's
came down. It's like already broken.
yeah.
I like it better.
This tree's bent over.
That fence. Their backyard is tiny.
Look at this. This is crazy.
Whoa. Nothing really bad happened.
And this is, they're like behind us.
Street behind us took a beating.
Yeah, they're like right behind us.
Uh-huh. I know. I bet I heard that. I bet I heard that.
Oh, yeah, because that.
That bites big time.
Because here's your place.
Yeah.
See?
Okay,
This is right behind you guys. I bet you heard it.
No, it's not.
We did. We woke up on that. We thought something had hit us. And here's another one up here, guys.
Oh.